This 2026 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 30BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features a carbon interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, air conditioning, oven, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, spare tire kit, water heater, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 30BH is 9,025 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.